So let us look at this few question on exponential equation. Now I will do the A and the B, then you will do the C and the D. Now the A says that x is power 1 over 3 is equal to 3. Find x. We are looking for x. Here we are looking for x. We are looking for y. We are looking for s. And of course here say for s as well. Now, all right, for the A, we will use the third law of the exponential equation, the third law. All right. Now we have x raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to 3. Now the third law says that for us to get the variable, we will multiply the power of both sides by the reciprocal of the power of the variable. Now the power of the variable is 1 over 3. The reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3. Take note of that. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. Reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 over 10. Reciprocal of 1 over 10 is 10. Okay? All right. So we'll multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this 1 over 3, which means this will give us x raised to power 1 over 3 times 3 is equals to 3 raised to power. The reciprocal is already 3, so we are also the power here is 1. So 1 times 3 will give us 3. Now 3 will cancel 3 here. So we'll now have x left here. So this will now be 3 raised to power 3, which is what? 27. So our x for the A is 27. Multiply the power of both sides by the reciprocal of the power of the variables. That is the law 3. Okay, so let us now quickly look at the B. Okay, now the B says 5y is equals to 40y raised to power minus 1 over 2. Now, first of all, there's a way we can reduce both sides. Now, you can see that 5 is a base here, multiplying this base. 5 can divide this 40, which is a base here. Okay, so if you divide through by 5, divide here by 5, divide here by 5, 5 will cancel 5, you have y. Then 5 cancel 40 here, you have 8. So this will be 8y raised to power minus 1 over 2. All right. So now, what you now do here now is simply this. Remember this negative power of a law of indices. So you apply that now. This minus and this 1 over. So this will be y equal to 8. This minus half is only affecting this y because alibi there is brackets here. Then this minus would have been affecting the A. But since there's no brackets, only this y that this minus is affecting. So only this y will come down with the power of half. All right. So what you now do in this case now is this. We have to take cross multiply. So this will give us y times y raised to power half is equals to 8. Now, the power of this y is 1. Because the power of this y is 1, now using the first law of indices, the same base, you take 1. Now you add this power here plus this half. So it is 1 plus half, which is equals to, of course, this will give us what? 2 raised to power 3. If you want to leave it as 8 first, no problem. Okay, let us leave it. Let us finish. We'll see whether we'll get that like that. So when you work this one, this will give us 1 plus half is 3 over 2, which is equals to 2 raised to power 3. Now, finalizing this, like I said again, you also use the third law of exponential. So my work here today is based on the third law of exponential. Now, the power of the variable is 3 over 2. So we are going to multiply the power of both sides by the reciprocal of the power of the variable. The variable in this case now is y. All right. So the reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. So we'll multiply here by 2 over 3, multiply this power by 2 over 3. So that will now give us y raised to power 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 is equals to 2 raised to power 3 times 2 over 3. Okay, so 3 will cancel 3 here. 3 will cancel 3 here, 2 will cancel 2 here, so here automatically is 1. So this will now give us 2 raised to power 2 is left here, 2 raised to power 2. So our y will be equal to 4. So the answer to this now is that y is equal to 4. Now, the reason why when you have a fraction, especially at the variable, a fraction at the power of the variable, why you multiply by the reciprocal so that at the end of the day, the power will give you 1. And when you are doing that, in order not to alter the equation, you will do it to the other side. And that is why we always use it to multiply this side and this side, just as this one now. Multiply here, the reciprocal to multiply here, and also the reciprocal to multiply here, so that you don't alternate, everything remains, but that will not bring out your answer to the fullest. So thank you for watching. Now don't forget to solve the C and the D. That is your assignment.